Guys, welcome to another video. This video is about factoring by grouping. Now, a hint is that you will see 4 terms. Whenever there are 4 terms, you can use factoring by grouping. Here is how it works. You will circle or bracket 2 terms. Now, it doesn't matter which 2 terms you're factoring together, but once it's 2 terms at a time. Within each pair, you will decide or you will factor, see what is common, pull that out, and then write your remainder in parentheses. So what is common between z cubed and 5z squared? Yes, we can get z squared. So now that we pull out that common factor, z squared, we're going to open parentheses, and then z cubed divided by z squared gives us z. And then 5z squared divided by z squared gives us 5. So that's my first factorization. I'm going to repeat the process with the next. What is common or what factor is in 4z or negative 4z and negative 20? Yes, you can get negative 4. So negative 4z divided by 4 gives us z. And negative 20 divided by negative 4, that gives us positive 5. Now, here is what you need to recognize. Anytime you're factoring by grouping, your 2 parentheses should be identical. So the signs should be the same. The letters or the terms should also be the same. So I have exactly the same things here. Z plus 5, Z plus 5. Once this is done, then just rewrite this parenthesis, z plus 5. Your next parenthesis will be what is on the outside. So this would be z squared minus 4. This here, z squared minus 4. This is also the difference of 2 squares. So again, once we have the difference of 2 squares, we can go again further by factorizing. You may recall that factorizing the difference of 2 squares simply means your first term minus the square root of your second term, open bracket, that same first term plus the square root of your second term. So plus and minus of the square root of 4. So this is your final factorizing by grouping. Here's another example. Again, we have x cubed, 2x cubed, 3x squared, plus 8x plus 12. You bracket any 2 terms, it doesn't matter which 2, you will get the same answer. For this question, I'm going to show you what we will get if we just rearrange our pairs, okay? What is common here? Well, we can get x squared. Then we have 2x on this side. And we have 3 over here. What is common here? We can get 4 out of here. And then 4 into 8x gives us 2x. And 4 into 12 gives us 3. Again, you can see that it's identical. So that means we would have factorized correctly. What will we do? Yes, we can do x squared plus 4 and 2x plus 3. Now, it doesn't matter which of the parentheses you put first, once you have them correct, whatever in there correct. Now, again, we have, well, that's not the difference of 2 squares, so we're going to leave that as is. So this is the factorizing. Now, I'm going to rearrange my term. I'm going to use 2x cubed with 8x. And I'm going to factorize 3x squared with 12. So what is common here? 2x. 2x by x here. And then I have plus 4. Sorry, this should be x squared because we need x cubed. So we close parentheses here. What is common here? 3. And then we have x squared plus 4. Exactly the same. So I can write that. And then these two will be in another parenthesis. And this answer is exactly the same as this. So once you're factorizing by grouping, it doesn't matter how you group or pair your terms, they will give you the same answer. Adios. See you in the next video.